Welcome 7th standard social class. Wadayars of Mysore continuation. Just take a recap. Last class you learn about Krishnaraja Wadayar III, Markabban, Louis Bentham Bowring, Chamaraja Wadayar 10. Now you learn about Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wadayar, Sir M. Vishveshwaraya, Sir Mirza Ismail. Do you know who's this? Is Nalvadi Krishnaraja Vadayar. Chamaraja Vadayar 10 died after he came to the power, but he was only 11 years old. The administration was run by his mother Nanjamani. Nalvadi Krishnaraja Vadayar started rule from 1902. Achievements of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Vadayar. He implemented Science Institution in Bangalore. He established Legislative Assembly in 1907. He built KRS Dam and developed agriculture in the state. In his period, Mysore completed 1910. In his period, Mysore Economic Conference was also started 1911. Backward classes should get special representation in government service. He gave voting power for the women the first time. Education, industries, banking service also developed. He appointed Sir M. Vishveshwaraya and Sir Mirza Ismail as Divanas. Mahatma Gandhi ji called his kingdom as Ramarajya and called him Rajyasri. He started Science Institution in Bangalore, Legislative Assembly, KRS Dam, Mysore Palace, voting power to women for the first time. He appointed Divanas Sir M. Vishveshwaraya and Sir Mirza Ismail. Do you know who's this? He is Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. Now you learn about Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. Achievements of Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. He considered as the sculptor and creator of modern Mysore. He worked as the chief engineer of Mysore. He started sandalwood factory, central industrial workshop, leather processing and metal factories were started in Bangalore. He made primary education compulsory. He gave importance to technical education. He established an agriculture school at Hebbal and the construction of the KRS Dam completed in the year 1932. He resigned from the post of Diwan of the year 1918. The British government awarded him with Knight Commander. The government of India awarded Bharata Ratna in 1955. He was the first Kannadiga to receive it. Sir M. Vishveshwaraya built sandalwood factory, and this is the Bank of Mysore, and it is iron and steel industries and metal factory, and he completed KRS Dam and he got the Bharat Ratna award in 1955. These all achievements of Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. Now you learn about Sir Mirza Ismail. Mirza Ismail is also considered builders of modern Mysore. He established various industries like Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, glass industries, Procline Industries, fertilizer industry, sugar factory, mastic factory at Shivamogga, iron and steel industry at Bhadravati, airport was established in his period, radio station we started Bangalore and Mysore, and he also encouraged khadi production and irrigation facilities, and he built Irvine Canal, and he built Brindavan Garden was established in front of the Krishnarajasagara Dam. Then he established neuroscience and some of the hospital in Shivamogga, and he encouraged the Kannada medium education. Sir Mirza Ismail, classmate of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Vadayar, and his death after came to the power Jayachamaraja Vadayar. He was the last ruler of the Mysore state. After the declaration of Indian independence, a satyagraha started in front of the palace demanding for the Mysore state in the Indian Federation under the leadership of K.C. Reddy. As a result, Jayachamrajendra Wadayar accepted the demand to become part of India. A responsible government came into existence under the leadership of K.C. Reddy on October 24, 1947. Jayachamrajendra Wadayar later became the first governor of Mysore state. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now, question time. Thank you. See you in next video.